The ocean, an endless space, too complex to comprehend. On the Canary Islands, marine biologist Antonella Servideo works for the European Commission, researching the 20 and more local whale species. Antonella is especially interested in their communication. She wants to find out how they cope with ever-increasing noise in the oceans. Rumors claim that military sonars cause more and more trouble to the whales. For years, biologists have observed unusual strandings immediately following naval exercises in all oceans. Various species suffer. Neither the local fishermen nor biologists are able to help. Since the 1960s, Navy fleets worldwide have started to use a new sonar system to hunt for submarines. This system uses extremely powerful sound waves. Though, is it really responsible for the fatal outcome on the beaches? Sonar signals are so loud they can be heard 60 miles away or further. But the military refuses to accept any blame.
I cannot imagine a time when we would not have to make use of that sort of technology in hunting for submarines.
Biologists have a theory. They believe that the whales are startled when hit by the sonar sound, then panic and surface much too quickly. The organs of the dead animals are filled with gas bubbles, an indication of the so-called diving disease, the bends. So far, scientists don't know how whales react to extremely loud noise. In her search for answers, marine biologist Antonella visits leading whale researchers worldwide. Why do whales strand? To present the entire research in complete detail, the strandings in Greece, the Canary Islands, the Bahamas, Japan, beaked whales, dolphins, pilot whales.
We'll take every measure we can